Good morning, first PC students, second PC students. Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Area of the triangle by using the determinants. Area of the triangle by using the determinants. So formula 1 by 2 into what is the area of the triangle formula by determinant formula. The area of the triangle formed by the points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is formula delta is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So, this is 3 points means 3 by 3 matrix determinant 1 by 2 into determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Next the area of the triangle, first model find the area of the triangle. Next model and find the given area of the triangle is given, find the value of k. That type of second method. Third method, collinear. Collinear means what? Area of the triangle is 0 means the 3 points are collinear points. What is the definition of collinear? The collinear means 2 or more points have the same line. Same line is called the collinear. Next, next one, and next fourth one, find the equation of a line by using the determinant. Same formula. Okay, next. So here let us go to the next topic, minor and cofactors of a determinant. Minor of a matrix or determinant, anyone. Minor of an element aij of a determinant, minor and cofactor of a determinant. So first minor definition. What is the minor definition? First definition, minor of an element aij, minor of element aij in the matrix. First element a11, a12, a13, a21, 22, 23, this one. Aij means ith row jth column. Element of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element aij lies. Minor of an element aij is denoted by M, capital Mij, the minor of a11, small a11. The minor of small a11 is equal to capital M11. Capital M is nothing but minor. Minor of 11 means first row, first column element. So the minor is denoted by capital letter, capital M. Okay. One example, take one example. Find minor of element 6. Find minor of element 6 in the determinant. In the determinant, find the minor of element 6. Element 6 is minor. So since first 6 lies in the second row, third column. Second row, third column. Position of the 6 position, second row, third column. Second row, third column. So second row means I is equal to 2, third column means j is equal to 3. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. So it's minor. It means what? Minor of 6 is, the place is second row, third column. So M, capital M, 2, 3. So 2, second row, third column element 6. The 6 minor denoted by capital M, 2, 3. So how to find out minor of 6? The 6 corresponding column, corresponding row was deleted. Corresponding row and corresponding column was deleted. The remaining 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 7, 8, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Next, cofactor. Cofactor of an element aij denoted by capital Aij. Capital Mij means small aij minor. The minor of small aij is capital Mij. The cofactor of small aij element ki cofactor is denoted by capital Aij. Capital Aij is defined by capital Aij is equal to -1 whole power I plus j. -1 whole power I plus j means I is that element position, which row I, which row, j means which column, into Mij into -1 whole power I plus j into capital M into Ij. What is the difference between cofactor and minor? Cofactor is the -1 whole power I plus j into minor, that element minor. So compulsory cofactor, you have to find out cofactor. If you find the cofactor, then must be first we have to find out minor. Okay, cofactor ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, minor compulsory. So first minor Mij. So cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 whole power I plus j into minor of Ij. So where Mij is the minor of small aij, minor of small aij. One example. Find the cofactor of an element 6 in the determinant of same problem. 6 ki minor completed, next cofactor. Since 6 lies in the second row and third column, so the cofactor of Aij is capital A23, 6th position, second row, third column. So capital A23 -1 whole power I is equal to row, j is equal to column, -1 whole power 2 plus 3 into M23. M23 means -1 whole power 2 plus 3 into, what is the minor? Minor means the second row and third column deleted. This one 2 3 corresponding, this is corresponding row, second row, the 6 corresponding row and corresponding column deleted, remaining the 4 2 by 2 matrix 1 2 7 8, that is equal to -1 whole power 5 is equal to -1 into this determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is cross multiplication, 1 into 8 to -14, -1 into -6 is equal to +6. So what is the determinant? For example, this is A. Determinant of A is equal to element, that element A11 plus cap into cofactor. Say one row, 1 1 no 1 2 1 3, anyone. Element into that element cofactor. Next, first row, for example, first row, along the first row, A first row, second row, A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13. Determinant of A. For example, what is A? For example, A is equal to, take A is equal to, this is matrix A. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the matrix of A. Determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A along row 1. Determinant of A along row 1 is equal to, along row 1. Determinants are how many types? 6 ways. Row 1, row 2, row 3 by using along row 1, along row 2, along row 3, and along column, along C1, along C2, along C3, 6 ways. So this is A. How to find your determinant? By using the cofactors and minors. So along row 1, determinant of A is equal, first element A11 into capital A11, A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into, so element to that element cofactor, element into that element cofactor. The first row. Along second row, Second row, det A is equal to what? Second row, small a21 is equal to capital A21, small a22 is equal to capital A22, small a23 is equal to capital A23. Along third row, capital determinant of A is equal, this is the minor of A, cofactor of A, this is the determinant of A. Capital A is denoted by cofactor of small a11, capital A11 denoted by capital A11 denoted by cofactor of small a11. Along row 3, a31 into capital A31, a32 into capital A32 plus a33 into capital A33. This is the det A formula. Det A means what? Det A is equal to, for example, plus or minus procedure, plus or minus procedure. What is the procedure? A11 into and A11 plus minus plus. So plus or minus plus means what? Minus 1 whole power I plus j. This is minus 1 whole power I plus j. Directly plus or minus plus. So element into, this is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor. Minor is not the corresponding column and row deleted. The remaining 2 by 2 my determinant is a value. So determinant of A is equal to element into that element cofactor plus this sum of the element into element cofactor. So any one row or one column, not total determinant. Only any you take any row, one row or one column. This is the determinant cofactor minor. In the exercise 4.3 is totally depending on the minor and cofactor. Okay, minor and cofactor. This is the definition and take one example, etc. Okay, take this. Okay, clear? Exercise 4.4, exercise 4.4, first problem, determinant of 2 minus 4 0 3. Write minors and cofactors. Write minors and cofactors. Okay, minors and cofactors. First minor solution. This is first this is A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, here A11 is equal to 2, A12 is equal to minus 4, A21 is equal to 0, A22 is equal to 3. So the minor the minor of A11 is capital M11 is equal to, okay, the minor of A11 is A11 minor capital M11. So the 2, for example 2 kada ఇది A11, the corresponding row and corresponding column deleted, corresponding row and corresponding row and corresponding row deleted, corresponding column and corresponding row. So what is the remaining? Mod determinant of 3 is equal to 3. So next, the cofactor of A11 is capital A11. Minor of A11 no cofactor, find write minor and cofactors. So cofactors of A11 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 1. What is the formula of cofactor? Capital Aij is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. Okay. So A11 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 whole power 1 is equal to 1 no, minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 no, into what is M11? M11 is equal to 3, that is equal to 3. Okay. Next, the minor of A12 is capital M12. So this is A12 means minus 4. E minus 4 corresponding row and corresponding column deleted. Row and column deleted. Determinant of 0 is equal to 0. So next, the cofactor of A12 is capital A12. So minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 first row first column, the element position is first row second column into capital M12. So minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 whole power 3 is equal to minus 1 into M12 is equal to 0. So 0. Next, the minor of A21 is capital M21. Capital M21 means this is the M21 is equal to A21 element 2. This is A21 is 0. 0 corresponding row and corresponding column deleted. So determinants of what is the remaining? Minus 4 is equal to minus 4. The cofactor of A21 is capital A21 is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into M21. Okay. So minus 1 whole power 21 is equal to minus 1 into what is the M21 value? Minor of value. Minor is equal to minus 4. So 4. Next, last one. The minor of A22 is capital M22. Minor of A22. The column and row deleted, remaining 2 mod 2 is equal to 2. So the cofactor of A22 is capital A22 is equal to minus 1 whole power second row second column 2 plus 2 into M22 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 1 no into M22 value 2. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So the minor of 2 is 3. The cofactor of 2 is 3. Okay. The minor of minus 4, minor of cofactor of minus 4, they all are there. Okay. This is the 2 by 2 matrix minor and cofactor. So next one, so at the same way 3 by 3 matrix minor cofactors also same procedure. Okay, next third question, find cofactors of elements, find cofactors of elements of second row, find the cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate delta is equal to 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 1 2 3. This is the 3 by 3 matrix determinant to find the cofactors of all, not all, only second row, this one, only second row position, only second row means this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, direct cofactors. If we want cofactor means first we have to find out minors. Okay, so first the minor of A21, this one, second row, only second row cofactors, second row 3 elements, the 3 elements cofactors. So minor of A21 is capital M21 is equal to the A21 corresponding row and corresponding column deleted, corresponding row and corresponding column will deleted. The remaining 2 by 2 matrix, remaining 3 8 3 8 and 2 3, 3 8 and 2 3. So that is equal to 9 minus 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9 minus 16. So that is equal to minus 7. So the cofactor of A21 is capital A21 is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j. I is equal to that element second row first column 2 plus 1 into M21 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 minus 1 into minus 7 is equal to 7. This is normal procedure, direct. Okay, so directly ORR, this is the procedure. Okay, directly find out cofactors. How to find out directly cofactors? So the cofactor of which element? The cofactor of A22 is capital A22. Okay, A2 small A22 cofactor capital A22 formula minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 minus 1 whole power second row, this is the second row second column 2 plus 2 into M22. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into what is the 2 by 2 matrix minor directly. Minor means what? The corresponding element, corresponding column and corresponding row deleted. So remaining 5 8 1 3, determinant of 5 8 1 3. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into 5 into 3 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. 15 minus 8. Okay, this is first minor and next cofactor. This is one way. Another way, direct cofactor. What is the formula cofactor? Minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor. So minor we did find the before minor or at the same time. Okay, before you have to calculate minor or directly find out minor. Both are same. So A22. Next second row, how many elements? 3 elements. A21, 22, 23. So therefore the cofactor of A23 is capital A23 minus 1 whole power second row third column M23, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 into, this is second row third column, the corresponding row and corresponding column deleted 5312, 5312. So minus 1 into 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7. So the cofactors of second row, are 7, 7, minus 7. This is the cofactor. Next tomorrow, adjoint. Adjoint means must be cofactor and must be known. Okay, must will be known, minor and cofactor. If minor and cofactor you don't know means, then adjoint also don't know. Okay, so today minors, cofactors, both definitions and problems are we have to perfect. Tomorrow I will continue adjoint. Adjoint means the transpose of the cofactors of the matrix. Okay.